Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this group image. They are all models from one of the best model agency in Okinawa, Office Rhythm Models. Well, this was the image for year greeting. Well, this is my subject today, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges. Pretty good pencil drawing type image. Well, I'm gonna make something interesting, something impressive image, these two images. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna change this blend mode to look for something interesting expression. Let's see. Screen. This is pretty nice, kind of interesting. Overlay gives more lighter and skin tones go light ways. So most people most girls likes this kind of skin tone, just washed out. Luminosity, this one has more pastel colors, so I'm going to use this luminosity image this time. Well, let's make a group, then duplicate this group and flatten this group image one layer. I got one layer now, then I'm going to duplicate again. I'm going to duplicate this layer, then change blend mode to multiply linear burn. Well, let's see it. Look at this. This is interesting, isn't it? Yeah, let's use that. New finding. Well, one is just this luminosity effect layer. Then I duplicate, change mode to linear burn, shows like this. I was gonna do multiply to darken up, but linear burn's fine. Well, let's use it this way. Okay, merge now to make it one layer, then use this image as a base image now, or maybe as an illustration image. Okay, I'm gonna move this, break down this group. So I'm gonna move these two, move out to group folder, something like this. Then I'm gonna delete this. So we got the three images. Then I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image, move up to go top. Now then change blend mode to normal. Then I'm gonna make mask later to see the image underneath. Maybe this or this. Maybe the original image and also this luminosity and color burn effect layers. Yeah. Okay, now turn it off and well, that's interesting. Let's go for it. I'm gonna make mask. Now I'm gonna review this mask to see the image underneath. Now what brush? Well, Bonobo chalk, which I use these days. Okay, now this is the mask. I got this image. I'm gonna add some base image. So, okay, I'm gonna mask this luminosity effect layer. I'm gonna rename now luminosity effect layer. Okay, I'm gonna mask it. so we can see through the base image, right? Let me show their model's skin tone. Let's see, change the brush to a little bit more sharp texture of the brush. So I'm going to change to Evolve. Okay, now, not much color in this picture, so I'm going to add one layer on top. So yeah. Blend mode to color. Now I'm going to touch up little by little. Okay, use same brush. I'm gonna let's see overall. Maybe I should, well, let's see the color later. I'm going to turn it off. Now I'm going to concentrate on this mask. This is, I think, too much color, too much colorful. So I'm gonna just leave this one, turn it off, and then I'm gonna add another layer. Then maybe should use same sketching to Bonobo chalk. Okay, I'm going to use a Marilla. Okay, little by little. I just add bluer color. This one has first one. This is too much, kind of carnival something. So I'm gonna delete this. Then I wanna fix this, lighten up some the model's faces. It's gotta be best, beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this base image. Make mask. Well, invert mask. Choose brush is airbrushing to medium blend, and a little bit small. It's gotta be white. Okay, now 100%. Again. 2, 3, then tone down. Okay, now it's masked. Nope. working on this base image. Curves, then gamma. Now go up. We see the face. Okay, go highlight side, lighten up. Then shadow size side, just a touch, make it contrast. Now a touch reddish and yellowish. Shadow side, that's too much. Just a little bit. We see some. Okay, now let me see. Now, on and off. Yeah, we see some. Then I'm gonna add some reveal this mask with just touch tone. Lighten up others. Touch more. Okay, that's better. Well, so far I kind of like overall. Brush texture. Nice smile expression, it's alright. And then these lines, that's alright. Some cast of the blue color. Nice framing, full frame shot. Let me see, just check out what else I can find with this luminosity effect layer. Maybe change this blend mode. Now this is darker color now. Just boring. This is interesting. The color dodge. Color dodge is not bad. Look at these colors around here. What's this greens come from? But let's see. I guess I made a mistake, something touch. Let's see, color dodge. Normal. Oh yeah, I guess I touched, huh? Okay, go back. Oh, be careful. Okay, again, color dodge. See now. Nice on here. Yeah, it's not bad, color dodge. Overlay, more contrast, but not that exciting compared to normal or color dodge. Maybe color dodge is interesting, huh? Normal shows some lines, darker lines too, but color dodge and some of black lines nice. Color dodge, maybe around here, some part. Overlay, soft light, hot light. normal or outright. This is pretty much vivid, hard. Yeah, vivid shows some purple colors, huh? And here, we're gonna have some different colors. Yeah, maybe vivid is interesting. These purple colors, since I add blue color, blue cast, so it's nice to have purple. Yeah, how about pin light? Normal or vivid? Yeah, let's get this vivid effect. I guess we're gonna have some colors in it. That makes a little more interesting. Well, yeah, I guess that's interesting. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support. And I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, changing blend mode makes some different expressions. That's nice to find out. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day. And see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Yeah, I like that. This nice. Yep. Thank you.